Tesla's track mode transforms your Model 3 or Model S for optimal performance on the racetrack. It prioritizes speed and handling over energy efficiency, unlocking the full potential of your Tesla's powertrain. Key features include adjusted regenerative braking, optimized cooling, and enhanced power delivery, all configurable through the touchscreen. We'll explore the best settings and how it works throughout this video. Track mode's core features transform your Tesla for optimal track performance. First, track mode disables regenerative braking, providing a more traditional internal combustion engine feel with finer throttle control. Second, it implements aggressive cooling for the battery and motors, preventing overheating and maintaining peak performance by avoiding up to a 30% reduction in power output. Finally, track mode unleashes instant torque while using sophisticated traction control algorithms to manage wheel spin and ensure optimal performance. Understanding these core features is key to maximizing your track experience. To access track mode, start by tapping the touchscreen on your Tesla's center console. This is where all the vehicle's controls and settings are managed. Once on the touchscreen, navigate through the menus to find track mode settings. Look for the track mode option in the driving or performance section. In the settings, you can enable or disable track mode with a simple toggle switch. This activates the performance optimizations for track use. Adjust cooling fan speeds using the slider to manage battery temperature. Higher speeds provide better cooling during intense track sessions. Monitor real-time data including motor temperatures and battery state of charge. This helps you make informed adjustments during your track session. Take time to familiarize yourself with these settings and options before heading to the track for the best performance. Start your track session with a battery sock between 50 to 60% to minimize degradation. Enable full cooling to maximize performance and prevent thermal throttling. Allow the car's adaptive system to learn from your laps and adjust accordingly. For the fastest lap times, experiment with traction control settings, finding the balance between grip and power delivery that suits your driving style. Effective cooling is crucial for maintaining consistent performance in track mode. Set cooling fan speeds to high for intensive sessions. Monitor motor and battery temperatures closely via the touchscreen. Preconditioning the battery by cooling it to around 20 to 30 degrees Celsius before your laps can extend high-performance runs. Post-2024 models generally have improved thermal management. According to Tesla's 2025 user survey, thermal events have dropped 50% post-V12 update. Tesla's track mode offers various customization options to tailor the driving experience to your style. These settings are accessed through the touchscreen interface, allowing you to adjust parameters like handling balance and stability assist. You can experiment with different settings to find what works best for you. Consider your driving style and the track layout when making adjustments. For example, aggressive drivers might prefer more stability assist on winding tracks. Tesla's AI-driven personalization tailors track mode to individual driving styles, potentially improving lap times by 5 to 10%. The system learns from your driving patterns to optimize settings automatically. Looking ahead, Tesla's future performance suite may offer even deeper customization, including user-defined torque curves and suspension tweaks via software. This will allow for more personalized performance adjustments. By experimenting with these customization options and utilizing AI personalization, you can optimize track mode for your driving style and achieve better lap times. Tesla owner Tesla Raj achieved a competitive 7:58 lap time on the Nürburgring in a Model 3 Performance using track mode. This highlights the importance of optimized cooling and traction settings for maximum performance. Experts like former Formula One engineer Gary Paffett praised track mode's intuitive AI, estimating it can shave 3 to 5 seconds per lap on average tracks compared to standard modes.